Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and click on one of those options under App Permissions, in my case, Location. Then scroll down and click on the switcher next to one of your apps. For example, now when I click on the switcher next to Camera app just gained access to this device's location, but you can always deny it by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!